Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Trailblazer 2021-2024 key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this, and here on the side right in this position you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it, pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove this mechanical key over here, take it, and now when you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, right on this side you see this small hole. Now you need to take the mechanical key, only the tip here, and insert the tip right in this hole and twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now, when you separate this fob into two pieces, just like this, right on this side, you see your old dead battery over here. Now, to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver or the mechanical key, and with the tip, insert here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now, when you remove the battery here in the same place, just install your new battery like this, and also very important here, make sure this side here is the negative side. This here is the negative side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you install your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them here perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take your mechanical key over here, insert it back in the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.